Hi everyone, welcome to Speech 101 Online. I'm Marissa Surdike and I'll be your instructor for this course. I understand that it can be somewhat difficult learning how to navigate an online course, especially if you've never taken one before. So I want to briefly explain to you what you should be doing first here. Hopefully at this point you have read through the course resources, which are right over here in your left-hand navigation panel. And have become familiar with the course syllabus and schedule. So if you click on the course resources, you'll see right here is the syllabus and schedule for the course. I highly suggest printing out the schedule as it lists out each module and assignment due dates. It'll make the course much easier for you because you will know exactly what is due each week. You should be referencing this document frequently throughout the semester. After watching this video, you should also begin by watching the navigation video if you haven't already done so. You will find that in the icebreaker activities right here. This is just meant to give you a general idea of how the course is set up. You may notice that some of the dates don't match up with our current course, but that's okay because it's just meant to give you an idea of where things are. From there, please read and view the other resources in this folder. Video on how to upload an assignment, 2 cardinal rules for discussion, academic integrity, and our course contract. Once you have done these, please complete the course contract information. So you'll click on that, and here's the assignment instructions right here. By doing this assignment, you are indicating that you understand course expectations and have a backup plan for any technological issues that may arise. Even if you don't think that you will experience any challenges with technology, it happens. So just please make sure that you have a backup plan so that you don't become behind on any coursework. This is a very short class, so we don't really have a lot of time to submit late assignments, and so just make sure that you're keeping up on everything. Next, I suggest that you participate in your first discussion. You'll see it right here. The introduction speech is your first discussion for this week. We have discussion assignments in this class just about every week because this is an online class, so that's where we get our interaction from. And they make up the majority of your grades, so make sure that you are completing these thoroughly and on time. This is an easy way to improve your grade, but it's also an easy way to see your grade drop very quickly. So make sure you are staying on top of those. You will use Zoom in this first introduction speech, which is a free video conferencing tool to record and upload your speech. So information on Zoom and how to use this tool is also provided right here if you are unfamiliar with this. It is free and it's very easy to use. You just record yourself giving your brief introduction, and then you will submit it right here to our discussion thread. You will create your thread and upload your video there. Okay, it's pretty easy. You should post this short speech by Thursday and make sure that you respond to 2 peers through text responses by Sunday. Again, it is very important that you are meeting these due dates. If you are unsure how to post in discussions and you have never done this before, please view the video link titled How to Participate in Blackboard Discussion Forums. So that's pretty much it for this module. Something that is important to note is that we have 2 modules for this first week, the icebreaker activity module and module 1, Foundations of Human Communication. We get right into communication content because again, this is a short course and we really don't have a lot of time to waste. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me at all. And I am looking forward to these next few weeks. And I will see you in Module 1. Bye now.